If you're looking for corded electric push lawn mowers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 corded electric push lawn mowers. Number 1, most popular, by Snow Joe. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Greenworks. Number 3, by Black+decker. For more details about these push lawn mowers products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Greenworks. Find these corded electric push lawn mowers at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Snow Joe. Number 7, by Greenworks. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Black+decker. Number 9, by Earthwise. Discover more corded electric push lawn mowers ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Greenworks.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.